Ever notice how the moment you even think about opening up, your brain goes, nope, don't do that. Like vulnerability feels less like honesty and more like handing someone ammo and hoping they don't use it. Somewhere along the way, vulnerability got labeled as weakness. Cry? Weak. Admit you're struggling? Weak. Say you care too much? Definitely weak. So we learn to stay chill. We say I'm good when we're not. We joke instead of explaining. We act unbothered like it's a full-time job. But here's the truth. Vulnerability doesn't feel weak because it is weak. It feels weak because it's risky. When you're vulnerable, you're saying, this is the real me, please don't mess it up. And your brain hates that kind of uncertainty. No control, no guarantees, just vibes and hope. So instead, we choose what feels safer. We keep walls up. We keep things surface level. We turn pain into sarcasm and call it personality. Low-key impressive. Also exhausting. Let's be real, most of us didn't get hurt because we were vulnerable. We got hurt because we were vulnerable with the wrong people. But instead of learning better boundaries, our brain learned one rule. Never do that again. So now opening up feels dangerous. Like if you're honest, you'll lose respect. Like if you share too much, you'll look needy or dramatic or too much. Meanwhile, pretending you're fine takes way more energy than being real. Acting tough 24/7 is draining. Always playing it cool, always holding it together, always acting like nothing gets to you. And here's the irony, the people we respect the most, they're usually not afraid to be vulnerable. They talk about their struggles. They admit when they're unsure. They don't fake perfection. That's not weakness. That's confidence without armor. Vulnerability isn't oversharing your entire life story. It's choosing honesty over hiding. It's saying, yeah, that hurt, instead of pretending you don't feel anything. And yeah, it's uncomfortable. Growth usually is. So if vulnerability feels weak to you, that doesn't mean you're broken. It means you've learned to protect yourself really well. The goal isn't to open up to everyone. It's to open up to the right people. Because being vulnerable doesn't make you fragile. It proves you're brave enough to be real in a world that tells you not to be. Kindly subscribe my channel and let me know in comments your opinion regarding this.